Hey everyone, Val here, and I'm cooking dinner, and I thought I would do a little taste test tonight. So we have a couple things we're going to try. We have the Uncle Steve's Competition Bird Shake, and there's Uncle Steve there. And I have some chicken wings, and I have them in my Moso air fryer oven. You can see it there. I just put them in there. I sprinkled a generous portion of this bird shake on top of those, and I'm going to cook that for about 40 minutes. And when that's just about done, I have our Cheetos mac and cheese, and we're going to try the flamin' hot. Look how hot those are. We've tried the jalapeno and the regular cheddar, and we liked them a lot. We've been holding off on this one because we're a little scared. No lie. It's going to be hot, and we'll see how this one goes. But we're going to try this one tonight. So stay tuned and see if we like it or not. The noodles are just about cooked for the flamin' hot mac and cheese from Cheetos. I've got a quarter cup of milk with 2 tablespoons of butter. That's going to be the next thing to go. And then I have my flavor packet, which I haven't opened yet. So let me open that, get the macaroni drained, and see what this stuff looks like. The macaroni's draining in the sink. Put the pot back on there. I'm going to put the milk and the butter in there. Get this warming up a little bit. I've got it on medium heat. So let's look at the flavor packet. I cut it open. That's what it looks like. It is a bright orangish red in there. Let me smell it. It just smells like cheese. I can't smell the heat on there, but I'm sure that I'm going to taste it. So let me get this melted up. So I'm going to turn this down on low. Make sure the flame is still on there. There we go. I'm going to dump the flavor packet in. Focus. That's red. That is really, really red. See if it's hot. Okay, it's starting to bubble. Let me get my macaroni. Pour my macaroni back in there. Trying to do this with one hand. It's kind of scary, y'all. Very, very scary. Alright, I'm going to turn the burner off. Let it sit. Let's check on this chicken over here. It was done about maybe 5 minutes ago or so. Take it off here. I did spray that with Pam so it didn't stick. And I did check the temperature when it stopped cooking, and the temperature was good on it. So that's what the chicken is looking like. I think it looks pretty good. Well, so shall we go give this a shot? We got some Uncle Steve's competition bird shake on the bird. There we go. And we got our very scary mac and cheese. Let's see how Steve likes it.
Got some serious red dye in it.
Yes, it does.
It's got some red dye in it. I'm going to smear it on my teeth real quick. See what it does.
No.
Alright, I'm going to try one first.
That's a fake. Don't stain the carpet.
I already did.
Is it on the carpet?
Yeah.
Is it hot? Is it gonna go down and spit it out?
Alright, let me try a couple. It wasn't too bad. It's hot.
I'm gonna try a couple off your plate.
It's the afterbite to get you.
So maybe I'm gonna try too.
It's not going in, but it's the after. Woo!
Oh, I can taste it. I'm gonna get my water ready.
If you like hot, you will like these.
It is hot. It's definitely got a kick.
We don't notice it so much at first. Give it a few minutes.
Might have to have some milk with it. Alright, woo! That is, whew.
Alright, one more time, just in case you missed it.
Better you than me.
There it goes. Woo, it's hitting. It's kicking in. And if you like hot, you like these. They're not terrible.
There you go, y'all. Get you some Cheetos mac and cheese, flaming hot. Alright, there you go. Alright, so let's try the Uncle Steve shake on our bird. I got a piece of my bird here. Might
Hang on a
want to
second.
take a bite. I do like an air fried chicken leg. That flavor's good too. Alrighty. It's a good bird. Give them both a thumbs up.
Yeah.
All right, we got 2 thumbs up here. One for the Flamin' Hot and one for some Uncle Steve's bird shake. Get you some. Thank y'all for watching. Give us a thumbs up. Give Steve a thumbs up just because he liked it.
All right. I will put out a parental warning out there. The fiery red hot is not for children.
Hey, I bet Gavin would like it. Not for most children.
Young children.
Yeah, the young ones probably wouldn't like it. All right. Subscribe if you're not subscribed and you want to. We'll catch you on the next one. Bye.